Market bubble beaters. That's the stocks we're going to be in 2022. That's the stocks we're already in. If you're rolling with data cap, just know we're already in the market bubble beating plays. We're already in the market bubble beaters. That's why we're here. That's why I do these videos, because we're going to be beating the market next year. I mean, we're beating the market this year too, but we're playing ahead. 133 really feeds you and me the market bubble beating number. Make sure you watch this full video today because this one is an absolute banger. What's up, everybody? Art Turner, Data Productions Media. Dreams are tangible aspirations where we scheme our dreams into existence. Like I said, I have another financial Gematria banger for you, and it's in the article form. Make sure when you're watching this video, go to dataproductionsmedia.com so you can get my articles and follow along with this video. This is going to be more of a shorter video today, but it's still powerful, and it's going to build on top of things as we keep moving along within the stock market and crypto world with Gematria. I know everybody wants to get into the charts and TA, which I am going to start doing. I'm formulating an article now with Gematria on that, but I still see a lot of people within my community that still aren't picking up on the basic stuff. So, I'm going to take my time with this, and we got to make sure we have a solid foundation within the financial markets with Gematria before we start getting into the higher levels of things. If you can't tell me the basic investing numbers of Gematria within investing, then there's no reason to go into the charts and TA with it because you don't even know where to look, And so we're covering all the bases as we ascend forward. All right. We have all the time in the world and a lot of videos and a lot of content from me to come. So now let's just start getting into this article today and see what we have. So, like I said, 133 feeds you and me. With the predicted impending downturn in the financial markets looming at some point in 2022, we've been preparing for this. 3 months ago, I came out with a triple B video, 2022, 222, how it's going to be crucial that, we are aware of what's about to happen next year. It is important for the data capital investment community to be prepared for the worst, but make the best out of any situation. Investing in stocks and crypto that can beat the market bubble will keep us profitable regardless of the overall market environment. I am not a financial advisor, but I mostly deal with pennies and small caps. That's just my preference. I do deal with big boards to talk about big board plays sometimes, but many times with these particular companies, they can supersede any type of market conditions to an extent because of their size, and they're still going to grow within hard times if it's a good business model. For the first decode off the bat, we have accumulation, which equals 133 in the English ordinal cipher. That's big time, right? Again, if you are seeing 133 pop up in a company that you've been doing research on, well, it's telling you accumulation 133, right? So, we also have some more decodes. 133 is the potential investment Gematria number. That's 303 in reduction. Let's just put that in the Gematria calculator so you guys can see that. Look, we have that 303 right there. 133. 303 reverse ordinal. You see that right there. 33s, those are 33s, 133. So you see the connection. Easy peasy. You have to get this down before we can go into the higher realms of things, right? And so let's get into the septenary cipher, which is very important in investing. And it goes back to my 33 feeds you and me article, because septenary is a storyline biblical type of cipher. It deals with 7. So look, possibly great stock at right price, 133 in the septenary. Don't sell winning stocks for penny profit. And 133, 331, in their number form shows solid investment potential equals 133 in the septenary cipher as well. They all do. So you see the importance of this number in investing, right? And since we brought it up, let's remember mirrors of numbers play a role in decodes as well. So 133, 331 are very important numbers for investing, especially for long-term investments. I'm more of a swing to long-term trader, so this is in my alley. So look, market bubble beaters. That's the stocks we're going to be in 2022. That's the stocks we're already in. 331 reverse ordinal. It goes in line with what we're talking about. When you see 133 in investment gematria, it means it has potential at the right price. That equals 331 in the Chaldean cipher. All right, I know it's a little blurry, but again, it's not going to be perfect. If you really are about this knowledge and you really want to, be great and use gematria in the stock market and, beat the market in 2022, a blurry decode's not going to stop you from, really accepting and absorbing that information. So look, it's a little blurry. What can I do, right? But once again, it's when you see 133 in investment gematria, it means it has potential at the right price. That doesn't mean buy it at the peak. If it just hit all-time highs at the right price, it could be potentially great. That's 331 in Chaldean gematria. We understand Chaldean cipher is very important. Moving forward, as we have a couple 137s, the 33rd prime. Buy the dips on 133 gematria stock plays. 137 reduction. 133 is the investment number in gematria. 137 in septenary, right? So let's get some 222s in there because we're going in 2022. We understand that's going to be a huge year in the matrix. So let's get some of those 222s decoded with that 133. 133 gematria stock plays, 222 English ordinal. 331 in gematria investing is a potentially great thing, and data capital investments is invested in market bubble beating stocks that they both equal 222 in the reduction cipher, right? So, if you're rolling with data cap, just know we're already in the market bubble beating plays. We're already in the market bubble beaters. That's why we're here. That's why I do these videos, because we're going to be beating the market next year. I mean, we're beating the market this year too, but, we're playing ahead. 331 septenary cipher investing 222 single reduction. That's where S equals 10. All right, real simple. Single reduction right here. S equals 10 instead of 1. Just add that 0. And so another 222 in the English Sumerian. Possibly great stock at right price. 2,220 in English Sumerian. That cipher is based off, sixes. 6, 12, 18, 36. We're going in 2022. 222 equals 6. So a lot of great, indicators that, we're in the right spot. All right. That's why I love gematria. It confirms a lot, and it just tells you that you're on the right path of things. Okay. Since we got 133 out the way, we understand the importance of it. Now let's get into some more fun decodes with 33 and some other numbers that's just going to really put a bow on top of everything. But before we do that, I just want to let you guys know, hey guys, I do have a Discord. It's free. It's a free Discord. Endless amount of knowledge in this Discord. So many gematria decodes from stocks, society, spirituality, metaphysics. And, we're just all doing this together. Again, it's free. The link is going to be in the description and the comment section. I would love to have you a part of the community. But I do just want to bring up this recent story within the Discord, which kind of brings it home with investing in these last couple of decodes. Shout out to T-Bone. He's in the community. I just wanted to go over our conversation with some decodes I gave him because it all makes sense. T-Bone was saying he's been seeing 33 everywhere. The last 5 days, he's looked at the clock. He saw 333, and in so many other places. And he just got a text code that was 332322. So you see that 33 on front and just a lot of repeating numbers. Skull and Bones and stuff like that. We know about that number. But I was telling him it means that you're going in the right direction. Just keep going with these synchronicities. And I show him these decodes, which are very powerful. Look, Gematria, 74 English ordinal. Yellow Brick Road, 74 English reduction. Why is that important? The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy, she's following the yellow brick road. But in reality, the occult meaning behind that, going down the yellow brick road is ascension, right? Is going up and finding yourself through ascension, um, enlightenment. So that's where the connection is, because Gematria can help you on your path to your own yellow brick road. All right, and look, synchronicities: 190 in English ordinal, 82 reduction, 89 in reverse reduction. Same with follow the Gematria: 190, 82, 80, 89. So you see synchronicities. When you see these synchronicities, you need to follow the Gematria, and the Gematria is the yellow brick road. That's why when people say, hey, when you see these certain numbers, you're on the right path. You're reaching your enlightenment. So I just wanted to bring up that story real quick. Join the Discord. So much knowledge shared. A beautiful community. We love each other and things like that. We do sharpen swords sometimes. We get in spats, but that's just what happens when you bring a lot of people together. But it's a really great community. I would love to have you guys. I also have my Patreon, just so you guys know. My Gematria stocks, my specific stock plays. I'm not going to be giving out all the secret Gematria sauce on them on the YouTube much longer. I'm still going to go over the plays, going to still do some of the decodes. But look, if you really want to get down and dirty with my research, you can get the newsletters and notes for $5 a month. I have over thousands of connections and decodes in Gematria with so many companies. I think we're at 10 so far, and they're all still relevant because they're long-term companies. Only $5 a month, so it's a gold mine. If you've been following me all year, we've been in a lot of killer plays. So I think the value is definitely worth it. I do have my monthly sports documentaries, which is great. I have a mystery box Christmas birthday present. My birthday is on the 28th this month. For the Patreon supporters, I'm not even really advertising the documentary that I'm dropping because it's that much of a banger. It's going to hit so hard and a home on who really are the scripters of the sports world, at least the NBA, but I'm thinking maybe, the whole sports industrial complex. But that's all you get out of me for that, because it's really, 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 deep, in-depth stuff. And, for those who are wanting to see it and are ready to see it, well, it's going to be on the Patreon. But for my people on the regular YouTube, what I'm going to do for you guys as a present, I'm going to compile probably all the 6 documentaries I've done this year so far into like a longer form, free compilation video as a birthday gift, like 10 minutes each from each documentary to give you an hour-long thing. So I'm going to do that as well. So, I'm always out there for the people. I know I do have my Gematria Masterclass General Support 333. You get the PDFs so you can learn more. If you want to support me fully, I have my Dream Schemers Ultimate Woke Pack, $8.63 a month. That's the $1.37 discount, the 33rd Prime. You get the Gematria stocks and my my documentaries. Great value. You learn so much. You really do get woke, enlightenment, and you're following the yellow brick road. So thank you all for the support thus far. We are growing. I love you all. And so let's finish up this article. And so some really important stuff when you're following the gematria, the synchronicities, the yellow brick road, there's a lot of confirmations that need to happen, right? So I want to start off with this banger. Follow the investing yellow brick road. 3,333 in English extended. Not only that, it's 33 letters, 6 words, you know, 3 and 3 is like, right? Follow investing, yellow brick road. So there's just so many 33s popping out on this one, right? And why is the English extended gematria cipher important? Well, let's look at it. It goes up 1 through 9, but then it starts adding zeros on each one. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40. Think of investments and how your stock price goes up in those type of terms, and tens and dollars and things. So that's how you should be thinking about it, right? This cipher when it comes to following the investing yellow brick road. And that's why I think it's a banger cipher. I mean, banger decode, and one of my better decodes, because it's simple, but throughout the whole process of it, it tells you. Follow the yellow brick road. 3,333 English extended. We know, the extended version, like dollars amounts on that cipher, but it's also 33 letters, 6 words. You have that 3 and 3. And so that's what we're working with here, right? Then we have beat inflation in the clown world with triple B BBB Gematria stock starter pack. So that's my Gematria stock starter pack. Go back, watch my previous videos on all the 2022 stocks that my community will be in, and we will be thriving. Okay? Beat inflation, crazy inflation right now, and the clown world. We do live in a clown world with the BBB Gematria stock starter pack. Starter pack, right? This is the starter pack. This is my starter pack. $5 a month. What does it equal? 3,033 in the Fibonacci cipher, which the Fibonacci cipher is all about growth, right? It's the natural growth of the world, So that's very important. That's not an accident, right? You can have the starter pack, BBB stock plays are market bubble beaters. 333 Jewish ordinal and 1,133 in primes. You have that 1133 in primes. Interesting, right? But that 333 sticks out with the Jewish ordinal. BBB Gematria stock starter pack for 2022, 2,220 in the satanic cipher. Starter pack right here. And then you have haters will try to short data caps plays. 137 reduction to 33rd prime. So they're going to try. Haters will try to short data caps plays, but ultimately will fail. 222 in reduction. So these are all confirmations that we're going to be doing really successful things next year in the community. Data cap will use high art gematria for public portfolio on FinTwit. 888 in reverse ordinal. In the past, I've brought up how 8s can be seen as B. So we have those triple Bs right there with 888 BBB, but also 330 in reverse reduction. Data cap will use high art gematria for a public portfolio on FinTwit, financial Twitter. So, this is all fun, banger decodes. Please refer back to my 33 Feed You and Me article that, kind of wraps everything up. Watch Making the Matrix Money YouTube video, wraps everything up. Again, sign up for my Patreon, all this. I have a book, everything. I love all you guys. We're going to keep, building on top of this. We're going to keep growing. But we have to get the basics down first before we do anything else. I have so many other articles on here as well. Check out, cryptos, meme stocks, and we're just going to do it all. But just stick with me. and join the Discord and anything else. We're going to be really successful next year, and I cannot wait. All right, so let's finish out the year strong, and let's make it happen. Art Turner, Data Productions Media. Dreams are tangible aspirations, or we scheme our dreams into existence. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all.